wanted to post this video of installing this Impaktech cage. It wasn't too bad, but I mean, there's a couple things you gotta do. I don't know if maybe it's just because I bought this used. The holes for this crossbar right here, I had to retap them, but it wasn't too bad. I actually put Allen bolts in there and a lot stronger. I should have put a washer on it, but I will. Just kind of mock up. Yeah, it was kind of a pain in the ass, honestly. Not gonna lie. There's the bolt over here that comes through with the bolt kit. I'll probably have to trim this off. I do have it tight. It tightens up pretty good by itself. Holds itself in there pretty decent. But yeah, other than that, I mean, I've seen a couple other videos of people that just already have these on there. I was gonna make one of actually doing it, but I never done it before, so I figured I'd do it and then kind of just post this. You do have to drill. This is 2011 CBR, if anybody was wondering. So it does have these side fairing covers. I did have to cut through these. It did come out pretty good though. I don't know exactly what size hole saw bit I used, but I mean, it worked pretty good. The other side's a little bit, yeah, has a little bit bigger of a hole, but I cut that side first, so you'll have that. You did have to trim this down a little bit. I just used like the edge of the hole saw. I mean, the prettiest, but you know, I don't really care. But yeah, other than that, what else? This goes to nothing. I mean, this is kind of just floats there for anybody wondering. Then this little pad goes on it. Yeah, other than that, the hardest part, I wouldn't say hard, but most irritating part was probably this crossbar. Just getting it, you know, right, because you gotta almost have both the sides pretty much snugged up before you can actually do anything else with the rest of it. So it kind of holds it in place. But yeah, other than that, I'll see if I can't get any other videos out in the daylight and let you guys see it.